Thank you for tuning in to Dub World today. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Today you'll be riding along with me in my 2013 Beetle as we try to figure out some problems. Alright, I wanted to show you all the problems I'm experiencing with this 2013 Beetle Turbo 2.0. So this has been going on since last year, and it's a problem that's on and off. As you can see, I've got the check engine light, the EPC light on. It was just the check engine light, now the EPC light comes on, but I'll tell you what's been happening with this problem. So you'll get situations where the check engine light will come on, EPC will come on, the check engine light will flash, you may turn the car off and it's fine, the lights go away. The tire pressure light came on because I got a nail in the tire. But over the last several months, I really haven't driven the car because of the issues. But the fuel pump has been replaced in the tank, the control module over the fuel pump, the fuel pressure switch has been replaced, diaphragm on top of the valve cover has been replaced, all spark plugs, all coil packs have been replaced. So I had two different places check it out. One was an independent shop, one was a dealer. And what they said was that they believe that the crankshaft seal between the engine and transmission is bad on the car, but they're not 100% sure. So the dealership wants $2,000 to take it apart and fix it, but then again, that's not a guarantee. But the weird thing about this and how it started was I'd be driving in traffic and be stopping, bumping, bumper to bumper traffic, and the idle would start fluctuating. No check engine light, no other lights on, just the idle would start fluctuating. And then every once in a while, the car would just shut off right in traffic. So you start it up, starts up fine, no problems. As long as you gave it gas, you're fine, you got to go. Stop again so that it's idling, start stumbling, and shut off again. Right now, as you can see, it's idling, which is interesting. Let me put the air back on. Get a little warm in here. Let's see what happens. Oh, there it goes, kind of bucking, as you see there. The car jerked. I'll stop it again. Alright, there you go. Now we got the idle. Look at it. It's stumbling. I think you can see the shaking on the camera. See that? Now it's fluctuating, and there it goes. Look, flashing check engine light, shut off. So now we're sitting here off, and of course I'm in gear. I hate these new cars, you can't start them. Now look, starts right up. Engine light is flashing, which means that's bad. But look, it's idling. It's idling fine. And now the engine light has stopped flashing, which means it's not as bad. Let's see what happens when we take off. Got some jerking. Okay. Again, won't go over 4,000 RPMs by accelerating quickly. So let's see what happens. I'll put it in manual mode. Oh, there we go. Shut off again. not go over 4,000 RPMs. I tell you folks, the computerization in these modern cars is a technological nightmare. It's really sad. So here are the codes that I keep getting whenever this problem occurs. Possibly some of you out there have experienced similar issues with your Beetle, Golf, or Jetta. If so, please let me know in the comments below. As soon as I figure out exactly what's going on, I'll definitely let you know.